Hello and welcome to Just a Gearhead. And today we're going to try to get some more work done on the floors of the Ranchero. Primarily the seam seal, and probably the POR15 rust preventative converting paint. Hopefully we'll get all that done today. So first we're going to take the grinder with a wire wheel on it and go over the floor to remove the scale, and then we'll go from there. I went over all the areas I welded and a few other areas that the old seam sealer was coming off and stuff, and anywhere I felt needed some seam sealer I just globbed some on. It's not pretty, that stuff never is, even from the factory, so now we're going to let that dry and come back when we can start doing the paint. It's actually the next day. That seam sealer stuff turns out needs like 24 hours to dry completely. So we left it, and we're going to now apply the POR15. Now, I really don't know much about this other than everyone on the internet seems to be using this to paint over rust right now, so we'll give it a shot. I got an old brush, some latex gloves, because they also say that this stuff when you get it on your skin doesn't come off very easily, so we're going to go give this a shot. one little can, but it managed to give me one relatively heavy coat over the entire floor. I even tried to get up on the firewall as best I could. I managed to get in under there, which was a pet bugger, even getting on the top side. So yeah, that was fun. But yeah, so did the floor, and the cubby, even this back wall here, out of that one little can. It is currently still wet, so we will have to wait and see how it dries to see if I need to do any touch-ups. If I do, I'll go grab another can and do it off camera probably. So no reason for you guys to watch me do touch-ups on it. So I guess that's where we'll call this video done for now. Not sure what we'll do next video. The carburetor kit, rebuild kit, still hasn't shown up, but you know, mail's been a little screwy with all the stuff that's been going on. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tell me what you think. If you guys want t-shirts or any other types of merchandise, check out the link to my Redbubble page in the description. For those of you who have liked, comment, and subscribed and bought merchandise in the past, I thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.